If you're seeing the "Your connection is not private" error on Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can help you get back to the website safely. This error can happen for several reasons, including a temporary browser glitch, a bad extension, corrupted cookies, the wrong date and time on your device, or even VPN and antivirus settings blocking the connection. So, if Chrome is stopping you from reaching a site, stay with me because we're going to go through the fixes one by one in a quick and easy way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Let's get into it. First, try the simplest fix, which is to reload the page. Sometimes this error is just a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh can clear it up right away. You can click the reload button in Chrome or use your keyboard shortcut to refresh the page. If the site loads properly after that, then the problem was only temporary, and you're good to go. If not, don't worry, because the next steps can help identify what's causing the issue. Next, open an incognito window to test whether one of your browser extensions is causing the problem. On Windows, press Ctrl-Shift and N at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. This opens a private browsing window where most extensions are disabled by default. Now try opening the same website again. If the site works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is interfering with Chrome's connection security. In that case, you can go back and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one that's causing the issue. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear your browsing data. Over time, Chrome stores cache and cookies that can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, and that can trigger security warnings like this one. To clear them, open Chrome Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you choose the option to clear cache and cookies, and if possible, set the time range to all time so you remove everything that may be causing the issue. After that, click Delete Data and then restart Chrome. Once the browser opens again, go back to the website and check if the error is gone. Another very common cause is an incorrect date and time on your computer. Chrome checks security certificates against your device clock, and if your date, time or time zone is wrong, Chrome may think the site certificate is invalid. To fix this, open your system settings and find the date and time options. Make sure your computer is set to automatically detect the date, time, and time zone. Once that is corrected, refresh Chrome and try the website again. This fix is often overlooked, but it can solve the problem very quickly. If none of those steps work, then the issue may be coming from your VPN or antivirus software. Some VPNs and security programs scan encrypted HTTPS traffic, and that can sometimes create false warnings in Chrome. Try temporarily turning off your VPN and see whether the website loads properly. If you're using antivirus software with HTTPS or SSL scanning, pause that feature temporarily and test again. If the site opens after disabling those features, then you've found the cause. Just remember to turn your protection back on when you're done testing, and if needed, adjust the settings instead of leaving them disabled permanently. So to quickly recap, when you see the "Your connection is not private" error on Google Chrome, start by reloading the page, then test incognito mode, clear your browsing data, check your date and time, and finally disable VPN or antivirus scanning if necessary. One of these steps usually solves the problem and gets the site loading again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Chrome and computer troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.